Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Pritam and in this video I am gonna teach you how you will get the ASCII value of any character in Python. So open your computer, choose any code editor and let's get started. Here I am using Visual Studio Code. You can use any code editor you want and make a Python file fast. Now create a variable and assign any character to the variable. I am assigning small a. Now in Python we have odd function, an inbuilt function which takes a character as an argument and returns the ASCII value of the character. So write odd function and within the parenthesis pass the variable. Since odd function will return the ASCII value of the character, we have to print it to see the result. Now run the code and you will get the ASCII value of your character. I got a 97, which is the ASCII value of small a. Hope you understood the odd function very well. Don't forget to like the video, comment your thoughts and share it with everyone. Remember, your support will motivate me to make more quality videos on Python. Thanks for watching this video. In the next video, we'll learn how you can make your own keyword code using Python. Now smash the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get quality Python tutorial daily. Bye bye.